Tired of wrestling with template galleries just to start a blank slide deck? Here is how to skip the clutter and create a clean presentation in seconds. We will cover logging in, finding the blank option, naming your file, and understanding autosave. Let us dive in. All right, the very first thing we need to do is get to Google Slides. Just open up your web browser and head over to slides.google.com. That simple address will take you directly to the homepage. It is a clean, straightforward starting point, and it saves you from digging through the Google Apps menu every single time. Now, if you are not already signed into your Google account, you will see a sign-in screen. Go ahead and enter your email and password. This is the same account you use for Gmail, YouTube, or Google Drive. If you stay signed in, you will skip this step next time, which is a nice little time saver for later. So here we are on the main Google Slides homepage. You will see a row of template options at the top. Things like pitch decks, portfolios, lesson plans, and newsletters. But we do not want any of that. We want a completely blank canvas. Look for the very first option in that row. It is usually a solid, plain white rectangle labeled Blank Presentation. Just click on that. And just like that, a brand new empty presentation opens up. No themes, no place heaters, no distractions. Just a clean white slide ready for you to fill up. Now, before you start adding content, let us give this file a proper name. Up at the very top left, you will see where it says Untitled Presentation. Click on that text. A small dialog box will pop up. Just type in whatever name makes sense for your project, like Marketing Brainstorm or Project Proposal. Hit Enter on your keyboard, and it is locked in. Naming it right away helps you find it later when you are staring at a long list of files in your drive. So now you have a clean, named presentation. You can start building your slides. To add a new slide, you can click the plus sign in the top left toolbar, or you can just hit Ctrl+M on a PC or Command+M on a Mac. That is usually my go-to because it keeps your hands on the keyboard. From there, you can add text boxes, images, charts, shapes, whatever you need. It is your blank canvas. And here is the really important part that saves people from a lot of panic. You do not have to manually save anything. Every single change you make, every new slide, every sentence you type is saved automatically to your Google Drive in real time. You will see a little message near the top that says, All changes saved in Drive. If your internet goes out or your laptop dies, you will not lose your work. It picks up right where you left off once you reconnect. So to sum it all up, just go to slides.google.com, sign in, click the blank option, name it, and start creating. No more dealing with template overload. You are in control. Now, go ahead and build something amazing. I will see you in the next one.